Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could play the drums without disturbing the entire neighborhood? Would you give it a try? The DED-200 electric drum sets is here to make that a reality. With its modern design and metal frame, this top-rated drum set is a game-changer for drum enthusiasts. One of the key benefits of this drum set is its mesh heads, which provide a realistic and responsive feel, similar to acoustic drums. When you hit the mesh heads, you'll notice the texture and give, making it feel like you're playing on a real drum. This electric drum kit also offers a diverse sound selection, with faithful real drum sampling, giving you access to a wide range of sounds and drum kits. You can choose from 450 sounds and 31 classic and modern drum kits, which is more than enough to deliver an exciting performance. The sound quality is impressive, with a deep bass and clear highs, making it perfect for practice or performance. The DED-200 electric drum sets also comes with complete accessories, including a foldable iron metal stand, hi-hat control, bass drum pedal, headphones, drum throne, audio cable, and drumsticks. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its quality and value. The interactive drum lessons from Melodics are also a great feature, helping you improve your skills and take your drumming to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drummer, this electric drum set is perfect for practice, performance, or just having fun. It's also a great option for those who live in apartments or have limited space, as it's quiet and compact. With its impressive features and benefits, the DED-200 electric drum sets is definitely worth considering. So why not give it a try and take your drumming to new heights? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.